In this video, you will witness the devastating power of a tornado and the aftermath it can leave behind.
Oh my gosh! Roll down your window! Roll down your window!
Oh, big tornado, big strong tornado. Yes, it's a strong tornado. I see it on the ground. There's, yep.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I can tell you where.
Right side.
There's some damage. Careful. Can you see this? Cole, where are we?
No, okay, keep going up. Okay, we are.
Okay. Yeah.
We are at the intersection of.
We're chasing. We're all right. We know what we're doing.
All right, we are on Newton Road. We're on.
Police, fire, damage down the road, just completely impassable. And of course, I don't even know what to say about this. If you look down this way, just destruction.
This natural phenomenon sweeps away everything in its path and spares no one.
insane. What the cow? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is horrible. It's completely flattened over here. It's crazy. Look over here. Way up there.
Devastation in Joplin, Missouri on an almost unimaginable scale. Homes obliterated. Cars piled up like toys.
Jay Nixon has sent a search and rescue team to Joplin, where a tornado killed at least 89 people last night.
And the cars and junk. My goodness, what a mess they had to clean up.
There were actually people out there protesting the circus, saying you shouldn't be using the elephants for that. But then I think there were more people there saying we need all the help we can get. Okay. And, you know, they're trained.
Elephant says,
very
you
smart.
pull that thing.
Mile markers 16 and 54 will also be impacted by this tornado. In addition to a tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to the size of baseball. This tornado warning places the tornado warning previously held out for this storm.
Oh, look at here.
I expect that to expire at 6:30, but it
This
has
looks like
been
a war zone.
extended until 7 o'clock.
Oh, look over
again,
here.
tornado
Look over there.
For Lawrence County, northeastern Newton is 6:33. Good evening, Chad.
You go around where that truck is going. It'll at least get to the intersection. Will that street take you anywhere?
That goes through.
Okay.
There's so many people out just trying to check on relatives, friends, just staying in your location.
Oh wow, look at that. It's like the way the Hobby Lobby is all the way cut off.
From the buildings, we've got people getting removed from vehicles. We have cars overturned, destroyed on range line, and then going up that.
Oh wow, look here. That whole house is good.
I used to own this one.
Your worst nightmare has come
Oh
to
my
Joplin.
goodness.
Words cannot describe what we're seeing in the city of Joplin tonight.
shit.
Power is out.
This is
all over
bad,
town. Cell service is
Look
spotty.
at
The only
this.
place I was able to get a decent signal out is 30.
Oh man, dude, the whole apartment complex.
Oh, look at that whole complex.
I know.
Oh my God, I'm getting. I got to turn this around.
Cars are gone.
This is bad, man. Bad. Jason, look at that.
Here in Joplin tonight.
You know, I've seen a lot of that shit on TV, but I ain't
Never
never
seen nothing like
witnessed
that.
I understand you were seeing this for the first time, but I mean, just it was almost as though the landscape of Joplin completely changed. Just an unreal, bizarre scenario. You say you continue to see that. And,
enough of this shit.
What we've heard so far at the hospital is that the
All
top
I
floors are
know-
almost like they've been gone. I mean,
We
one
got. Oh. Oh my God. Holy